So, good morning, Jan. How are you? Sorry, good
Yes,
afternoon. How are you?
yes, ma'am. Very good afternoon. I'm great. Just tell me about yourself.
Yeah, I'm also doing fantastic. And as usual, like everything is going, up to my expectation. So, yeah, it's going good.
Oh, that's really great. So, shall we introduce each other?
As you know, my name is Neha and I'm living in UP in city of Greater Noida. I'm married. I have two kids as well as homemaker also. If you talk about my qualifications, so I have done graduation in BSc Botany Honors. And if you talk about my hobbies, so my hobbies is doing exercise, playing badminton, and I watching TV, and apart from running my YouTube channel also, that's which is based on spoken English. That name is Learn English with Sneha Singh. That's all about me. Thank you.
That's great. Sounds amazing. Like, of course, like along with your study, along with your like so many work, you also take care of your health. You told me that I love playing badminton and some other game, physical game. Great. So, okay, now I'm going to introduce myself. My name is Gyanand from UP in Lucknow, and here I'm living in a small village where I work in farm and I have some animals. I just take care of them. Also, I have this YouTube channel, which I have been running for 1.5 years. So that's all about me.
Okay, okay. Then how is your channel going on these days?
My channel is going well and not too much, but yeah, we must say that yes, it is going well. I'm not running after like okay, I want so many things from YouTube, but yeah, whatever is is going great. Of course, I must say that though I'm not getting views and subscriber, but still, yeah, I am happy with my channel.
Yeah, I also think about like that. Like suppose we are every time thinking like subscriber and watch time. Yeah, it's good, but you are not getting that much of subscriber and view view also. But
Yeah.
whatever you like you upload, but here like you are not getting lose like everything. You are learn something from here. You are
Yes.
confidence will be like increase every time if you are going to talk with someone and you're uploading like on on social media, then every time you feel like no, I have a confidence, and you develop your personality as well as.
Yes, like YouTube is giving us so much facilities. Here we can we are learning as well as we have one hope that okay, one day we will get success over here. So in this hope we are doing here and we are improving. So anyhow we are getting advantage. We can't say that no, I'm not getting this. I'm not getting that. Of course, we are getting so many things. So great.
That okay. So yeah, do we have any topic? Then let's talk about on that.
So okay, would you like to make any story? I'm going to speak in Hindi and just translate all the story in English.
Okay, I
So
will try. I will try my level best.
okay, so what kind of story should I create? Horror
And
or
no, no, not any story. Like I don't like a horror, any movie and a serial, anything.
नॉर्मल स्टोरी? 15 साल पहले एक छोटे से गांव में एक लड़का रहता था.
Before
Hmm.
you will tell a small sentences.
स्मॉल ओके. ठीक है. एक लड़का था. एक लड़का था.
There was boy.
was a boy. Okay. वो गांव में रहता था.
He was living in a village.
वो 10 साल का था.
He was 10 years old.
वो अपने पेरेंट के साथ रहता था.
He lives with their parents. His parents. His parents.
He lived with his parents. उसके उसके डैड किसान थे.
His father was a farmer.
वो रोज सुबह खेत जाया करते थे.
His father went to go every day. What is the meaning of
Every
farm
day in the morning.
in field?
उस लड़के का नाम करण था.
His name was Karan.
वो स्कूल नहीं जाता था.
He go to a school.
लेकिन बच्चों को स्कूल जाते हुए देखा करता था.
But he see to वह बच्चों को स्कूल जाते हुए देखा करता था. He see he was seen.
He used to see.
He used to see a student were going to school.
He used to see students going to school.
Okay, a student going to a school.
वो भी पढ़ना चाहता था.
He wants to do a study.
He also wanted to study.
Okay. He also want to do a study. Wanted to do a study.
क्या? लेकिन वो गरीब था. लेकिन वो गरीब था.
But he was poor.
उसने कई बार अपने डैड से बोला कि डैड मैं पढ़ना चाहता हूँ.
He told his father, I want to do a study.
लेकिन उसके डैड ने बोला नहीं, हमारे पास इतने पैसे नहीं है, हम तुम्हारे पढ़ाई के लिए पैसे नहीं इकट्ठा कर सकते हैं.
But his father told to his, I don't have so much money. I can't collect this much of money
for your study.
for
Okay.
a study.
वो बहुत दुखी रहता था.
He was feeling sad.
लेकिन वो मजबूर था.
He was, what is the meaning of majboor?
Helpless बोलो. Like he was helpless.
He was helpless.
He was helpless. वो टीचर बनना चाहता था.
He was dreaming that he want to become a teacher.
He wanted to become a teacher in his life. अपने ड्रीम को छोड़कर वो खेत में काम करने लगा.
He want to leave her dream. He started cultivating in field.
Leaving his dream, he started working in his field. वो पूरी तरह मतलब किसान बन चुका था.
He was totally made a farmer boy.
He totally became a farmer.
Yeah, he totally become a farmer boy.
कुछ 2 साल बाद,
after 2 years,
उसने फिर अपने डैड से कहा, डैड मैं अब पढ़ना चाहता हूँ, मैं खेत में काम नहीं करना चाहता हूँ.
After 2 years, he told his father, I want to do a study. I don't want to do. After 2 years, he told his father that I want to do a study. I'm not going to do. I'm not going to do.
Yes, I will not do work in the farm. Yeah, I'm not going to work in the farm.
Yeah, I will not do work in the farming.
Yes. उसके डैड ने कहा, नहीं, तुम खेत में काम करो, जो भी पैसा मिलेगा मैं तुम्हारे स्टडी के लिए इकट्ठा करूंगा.
Father said, whatever I will earn money, that money I will spend on your study.
Okay, for your study, great. फिर उसके डैड पैसा इकट्ठा करने लगे.
After then, his father his father was collecting money for his study.
Started collecting money for his study. 1 महीने बाद बारिश का सीजन आया.
After 1 month, it came rainy season.
और उसका घर कोलैप्स हो गया बारिश में.
And his house has collapsed. Am I right?
Yes, collapsed.
Okay, this why it means.
Yes, his house collapsed in that rain.
Okay, his house collapsed in his rain. It's rain.
लड़का सोचने लगा कि अब मेरे डैड मुझे पैसा नहीं देंगे पढ़ने के लिए.
That boy started thinking, now my dad will not give money for my study.
क्योंकि अब हमें फिर से घर बनाना पड़ेगा.
Because I have to make my house again.
I have to build my house again. तो जो कुछ भी पैसे उसके डैड ने इकट्ठा किए थे उन्होंने घर बनाने में लगा दिया.
Whatever his father collected money for a study, that money has spent in making his home.
That money was spent to build a home. ठीक है. फिर लड़के ने डिसाइड किया कि अब मैं बाहर काम करने जाऊंगा.
Then boy has decided I have to go outside for work.
फिर वो खेत के काम को छोड़कर वो बाहर काम करने जाने लगा.
After that he left farming work and then he went to outside for work.
और उसने बहुत सारे पैसे इकट्ठे किए.
And he collected a lots of money.
एक दिन उसने सोचा कि अब मैं स्कूल में एडमिशन लूंगा.
One day he decided I will take admission in a school.
उसने सारे पैसे लिए और वो स्कूल चला गया एडमिशन के लिए.
He took all money and went take admission to college.
He went to college to take admission.
He went to college for admission.
लेकिन स्कूल उस दिन स्कूल बंद था.
But that was closed.
तो फिर वो वापिस आ रहा था स्कूल से.
Then he came back.
रास्ते में उसे 2 अननोन लड़के मिल गए.
He met with 2 girls.
2 unknown people.
Unknown person.
उन लोगों ने उसके सारे पैसे छीन लिए.
और उन लोगों ने what did mean those person
boys
that
those boys snatched his money.
Those boys snatched his money.
और वो 1 घंटे तक रोता रहा लेकिन उन लोगों ने उसको मुड़कर नहीं देखा.